This is my Bronco. It's a black diamond. Many others are like it, but this one's mine. Bronco is a very popular vehicle, especially today. Just the looks of it is very unique. Now, as much as I'm excited about the tech and how the Bronco looks, when you go inside, the problem is the storage. I mean, there's a lot of different storage within the car, except for this. This is basically the storage you're gonna get right off the factory. And here's the problem. You got this very tiny compartment, and I don't even know what to, I guess because the Bronco does not have anything for your shades or your sunglasses, this is the only thing I got right here to kind of clip your sunglasses, since we have the auxiliary switches that's up there. I guess forethought about this really small compartment is for sunglasses, which actually works. So if you look right there and you put your sunglasses, this is my wife's sunglasses, by the way, it fits perfect. Other than that, that's the only thing you could really fit on here. That was my dash cam. If you ask me, it's a waste of space. So this company sent me this product for free for me to review, and I'll put that in the links in the description below if you want to check it out. But basically what it is, it's a compartment, but it's a little more stylish than what it comes with it, and it gives you two pieces like so. All right, so let's see. The way I got mine set up, let me remove this piece of junk. The way I got mine set up is I have a USB charger right here. I'm gonna remove that because the Bronco comes with this socket right here for charger. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, it's there. So normally you would charge stuff on there that you want to charge. The problem is if you charge anything other than your cell phone there, it's not gonna work because it actually starts to detect a CarPlay and it tells you to unplug it. I got the bottom piece right here. So as you can see, the first one actually works. And you still have access to the charger right here. So the cutout is perfectly made for this. Let's do the second part, which is this guy. And we'll install that this way, and then they give you this logo. It's really perfect cutout. But one thing I like, there's a hole right here just in case you need to route a wire up in that hole and you still have access. And the second compartment, and obviously if you remove the entire thing, you can. There you have it. That was a quick video. I mean, would I recommend it? Obviously, compared to this, it's a no-brainer. So there's a lot of different compartments out there in Amazon. Some of them comes with wireless chargers or whatnot, but I think this is a very simple fix to upgrade from your very simple shades holder, I think that's what it's called, to something a little bit more stylish. You'll still have the rubber inserts just in case you want those. If you like this video, hit the like button, consider subscribing to the channel, and again, I put all the links in the description below if you want to check it out. My name is Bombo, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.